In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can refund skins here in Fortnite. This is super easy to do, and if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can refund skins whether you're on PC, console, or mobile. The process is pretty much the exact same, and there's actually two different methods to use. The first one is an instant refund. So let's go ahead and say that you are in the item shop right now and you're trying to find a skin and you find something that, you kind of want, but maybe aren't 100% sure about. For example, let's go ahead and say we want this, Balenciaga Fortnite skin right here. Or actually, let's go ahead and say we want something like the medley skin right here. Essentially, what you would do is on this screen right here, after you go ahead and purchase it, if you actually do stay on this skin, Fortnite will give you a brief window where you can instantly cancel the purchase. You just simply go ahead and hit cancel purchase and you'll immediately get your V-Bucks refunded back to your account. So if you accidentally buy something or instantly regret it, you could do that within a few minutes. Now, if more time has passed, what you're going to want to go ahead and do though is actually go up to the top right of your screen and click your profile icon and then go down into your settings wheel and navigate all the way to the rightmost tab. And if you see on this tab, you're going to see an option to return or cancel purchases. Simply go ahead and select that. Now from here, you're going to see your refunds within here. You'd essentially find whatever skin it is, select it, and you'd be able to use a return ticket for this. For example, right now I currently do have 3 return tickets, and this is going to be any item that you bought in the last 30 days, and you can refund any of those items with one of those tickets. The only thing to keep in mind is that you only receive 1 return ticket per year, and you can hold a maximum of 3 at any time. So you can only refund items purchased with V-Bucks, and the purchase must have been made within the last 30 days. So make sure you use your tickets wisely, only refund skins or items that you truly regret purchasing. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.